We always want to be in good spirits, so you really have to have clean spirits. Dr. Christina Rahm's background working in the addiction space, she was able to see some of the importance of giving people an opportunity to clean out their bodies in a way to function. I grew up in an environment where both sides of my family, not my parents, but both sides of my family were alcoholics. And I understand the impact that alcoholism and substance abuse has on people and has on families. What we don't look at is the true impact it has on the individual and the hows and whys. We wanted to create something that can actually give you a reprieve or give you support in cleaning up the mess. Through some research and actually analyzing the best treatment methods that are being used in the addiction recovery space, Dr. Rahm created the Clean Spirits line. 3 products that are designed to support the body in recovery and really put a focus on the detoxification of the liver, because that's what processes alcohol, it's what processes other drugs. It's one of the most important organs in the body because it is your primary detoxifying organ. And a lot of the things that we're exposed to from the time we're conceived build up in your liver because your liver doesn't have the ability to get rid of these things. This is where a fatty liver comes in, and a toxic fatty liver, so you can have non-alcoholic fatty liver and you can have an alcoholic fatty liver. If you don't change the environment, it will kill you. With Clean Spirits, the drops as a foundation provides a mechanism that allows your body to more effectively detoxify some of those chemicals and pollutants that are in your system, putting a heavy focus on supporting the liver's detoxification pathways. It's absolutely outstanding. If you're going to go enjoy yourself and you're going to have a couple beverages, it could be one of your best friends. You can even put it in drinks if you want, which is quite a unique process and experience because it does detoxify your beverages, so you can actually make a detox teeny or a detox Rita or a detox espresso martini. But you also have the Xoted Support Powder, which is detox backwards. This is actually formulated from some of the best protocols on the market that are used in addiction recovery centers when people come in and they need support in cleaning themselves up. And then you have the Good Morning Minerals, because if you've been out having fun or if you need support in the morning, your body needs the electrolytes to recover. This is where you're hungover. You can take this before you go to bed, or you can take them in the morning. So if you're one that likes to have fun with a beverage or other substances, you should probably have this at the ready. If you're someone that's actually in recovery, it'll give you an opportunity to tremendously support the process of proper recovery. What has been amazing to hear from our community is that as you use Clean Spirits and its supporting siblings, you will not only have the physical benefits of releasing these toxins, but the toxicity that is spiritual, psychological, and emotional also is able to be released and removed, which provides a level of support unlike anything we've seen before. Keep your spirits up, my friends.